In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to N8N. We'll break down the process, making it easy to follow and implement, even if you're doing it for the first time. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your N8N interface. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Credentials section. This part of the interface is critical because it's where you're going to manage the details that allow N8N to securely communicate with your Outlook account. Click on Credentials to begin this journey. Now, it's time to create new credentials. Spot the option labeled Create New and give that a click. This is the gateway to setting up a secure connection between N8N and your Outlook account. Here, you'll be presented with a list of different types of credentials you can create. Your task is to select Microsoft Outlook from the list. This step is essential because choosing the right credential type ensures that N8N recognizes you're linking it to a Microsoft Outlook account, which is quite specific in its requirements and permissions. The next step involves authenticating your account, which is crucial for establishing a secure connection. At this point, you'll need to select the appropriate authentication method. There are two primary options to consider, each serving different user needs. For most users, especially those utilizing Microsoft 365, OAuth 2 is the recommended method. It provides a robust and secure way to grant N8N access to your account without needing to handle passwords directly. However, if your requirements are more straightforward and you only need basic email operations, the IMAP SMTP option might suit you just fine. This method is often simpler, although it might not leverage all the features available when using OAuth 2. Whichever method you choose, you'll want to carefully follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the process of authorizing N8N to access your Outlook account, and you'll need to grant any necessary permissions. It's important to follow each step as directed to ensure that everything is set up properly and that the connection will function correctly. Once you've successfully authenticated and granted the required permissions, the final step is straightforward yet important. Don't forget to save your credentials. This action is what finalizes the setup, ensuring that the connection details are securely stored within N8N for future use. By saving at this point, you'll prevent any need to redo the authentication process the next time you want to use N8N with Outlook, streamlining your workflow for future tasks. And that's it. With these steps, you've connected Outlook to N8N. You're now ready to explore and automate tasks with these powerful tools, enhancing your productivity and efficiency.